patriotic song called U.S. Blues. Grateful Dead. But yeah, you don't want to come?
1, 2, 3.
Eric, do you want to come up here and sing?